Hey guys, what's up? It is Lauren and I'm starting this vlog today in my car. So it's actually Sunday and it's around noon. I'm meeting up with my friend for lunch, so we're gonna go get some lunch, and that's pretty much all I'm doing today. So it's a really nice day out, it's pretty chilly, but I'm very excited to get some lunch. Let's go get a sandwich. Hello everybody, so I am back from lunch. I completely forgot to film. Yeah, it's like 3 o'clock right now. Literally all we do is go to lunch and then just walk around this cute little town. It's like 40 minutes from me. There's a lot of cute towns where I live, but they're usually around like between 30 to 40 minutes from me. So it's 3 o'clock. I got a freaking parking ticket. It's only $20, it's not that much money, but I got a parking ticket this time last year, closer to New York City, and it was $80. This time I was way farther away from New York City, so it was only $20. But yeah, I was like, are you kidding me? I got like literally this weekend last year, I got a parking ticket. So honestly, that was my fault. I thought that you didn't have to pay the meters on Sundays, because usually in New York, you don't have to pay meters on Sundays, especially in New York City, you don't have to. So I never put any quarters in, but I guess you still have to pay meters in certain towns. Hello everybody, so it's now 6:30. I had some dinner. I had some steak for dinner. It was so yummy. So what I was actually doing before this was I was filming a TikTok. I've never made a TikTok. I made one TikTok like a year ago, but it was like a joke funny TikTok. I've never made like a serious like good professional TikTok. So I just made one today. It was pretty easy. I've always watched TikToks, but I've never made them. So I did a Target try on haul video. So I bought tons of clothes. I'm going to be doing like a try on haul video probably in the next couple weeks on YouTube, but I wanted to do like little mini ones on TikTok, and I have like no followers, but I just decided to put it up and see what happens. So yes, I did that. And yeah, it took me a while to make. It took me like an hour and a half to make like a 60-second video, which was crazy. But anyways, so that's up. I will have that link down below. It has no views. I feel like today's so boring. I literally have done nothing. I feel like these vlogs, like I said, are so boring because I really don't do much. And I just feel like pre-COVID, my like work week vlogs were so much more interesting because I was actually in New York City and I was able to like show you guys the city. But now it's like I'm home in my room and there's not really much to show you guys. So I'm going to have a snack and watch another 2020 episode. I've been obsessed with 2020. I love 2020. This weekend I am seeing my friends and we are going to dinner, and we're doing a wig dinner. So I got a wig from Amazon, and it's just this like light pink wig with like bangs. I don't know if you guys can see, but we are doing like a wig dinner. I also literally went crazy yesterday and bought so many clothes. So I usually don't buy clothes, but Boohoo was having like an insane sale and everything was so inexpensive. So I got some stuff from Boohoo, and then I got stuff from American Eagle and Amazon. So I'm excited to show you guys. Good morning everyone, happy Monday. My lips are so chapped right now, so ignore that. But anyways, it is Monday. Mondays are definitely my most busy days out of the week, so I just put on a black sweater to look put together, and I put on a little bit of makeup. I took my vitamins. I made myself my little oatmeal bowl with banana and oats. I'll show you that in a second. And yeah, it's just a very basic Monday, so I'll show you guys my breakfast. So this is my breakfast. It's just oats and banana. So it's the Purely Elizabeth oats by Purely Elizabeth and then a little bit of banana. And then I just took my vitamins. These are just from Target, just like a daily vitamin, and then my probiotic. Hi everyone, so I'm at my desk right now. It is 12:30. I'm gonna go eat lunch, but I actually got a package in the mail. I don't want to show too much because I'm gonna be doing a big spring summer clothing haul, but I went kind of crazy and I haven't bought like a lot of clothes for myself because I was trying to save a lot of money this past year, and I hit like a financial goal that I've been wanting to hit for a while, so I kind of treated myself and I got myself tons of fun like spring and summer clothing, which were all like super inexpensive, but I got a lot of good deals. So my American Eagle package actually just came today. I'm not going to show you guys too much, but I'll show you kind of what I got, I guess, a little sneak peek. I got a white bodysuit, which I just think white bodysuits are so simple. You can do like so much with those. And then I also got some mom jeans. Guys, these are so cute. I haven't had a pair of mom jeans like that fit me well. I have 2 pairs and they just don't look good. Honestly, I got them from Target and they weren't good. So I took a risk and I got some off of American Eagle online and they fit like perfectly. I literally went through every review though on the website just to make sure that I was getting like the right size, but they're adorable. I'm obsessed. So I want to get another pair now, just because they're so cute and I feel like I'm gonna wear them a lot. So I'm gonna make myself some lunch. I don't know what I want. I have a lot of meetings this afternoon. I changed into a t-shirt because it's like really hot in my room, but I'm going to have a lot of meetings this afternoon, so I'm gonna change back into my sweater when I have to go to my meetings. I'm so excited about those boyfriend jeans. You don't even understand. I'm one of those people, I'm very thin. I don't have like any shape to me. My legs are super skinny, so a lot of these boyfriend jeans are just super baggy on me and they don't look cute. But these are actually pretty flattering. They fit really great around the waist, around the butt. They're nice and tight, but then they get looser at the bottom, so I love them. So yeah. Here is my lunch, just a little wrap with chicken, tomato, and lettuce, and some guacamole. My hair right now literally looks ridiculous, but I just finished working out. I did a arm workout, ab workout, leg workout, and the leg workout was so hard. I did a Maddie Fit workout. I haven't done a leg workout in a really long time, so I decided to do one, and my legs were shaking because I never do leg workouts. I don't know why, but I just never do. Anyways, I'm going to take a shower and then we're gonna make some cookies because I really am in the mood for my peanut butter cookies. I made these in my last vlog, but I got the recipe from TikTok, so I'll link that down below. And they're so good. They're like chocolate chips, peanut butter, oats, and banana. So they're really easy to make and they're dairy free and they are vegan, I believe. That workout, it's now 9:30. I am such a late night snacker. I just love eating late at night, so I always eat at like 10 p.m. and have a snack around like 10 p.m. because I'm such a night owl. I'm not a morning person at all. All right, so I just made the cookies and I'm gonna put them in the oven, but this is what they look like, pretty simple. And here are the finished cookies out of the oven. Good morning, everybody. Happy Tuesday. So today I woke up a little later than I should have. I just have such a hard time getting up in the morning. Like, I'm not a morning person at all, and once I'm up, I'm fine, but it's like getting myself up just takes so long to do, and I don't know why. But today I am wearing this cheetah sweater and a headband because I felt like my hair looked a little flat today, and I have a lot of meetings today again, so I wanted to look presentable. So I just did quick makeup, very quick. I'm barely wearing any face makeup. All I do is wear concealer and a little bit of bronzer, and that's all I have on my face. And then I just did my eyeshadow and eyeliner and my hair and a headband. This sweater is from Shein, I think. But yeah, that's pretty much my outfit. And I made my oatmeal today. I decided to do strawberries instead of bananas. So this is what it looks like, super cute. And a whole thing of water. Took my vitamins and we're ready to start the day. So it is now dinner time and I am eating some chili and then some chips from Trader Joe's. I got the restaurant style chips with a hint of lime. I'll show you guys in a second. They are so good. They taste just like Mexican restaurant and they're not as bad as like the Tostitos chips with the hint of lime. I know those actually have dairy in them. So today was a very uneventful day. I just was working all day. Honestly, like I said, these work week in my life videos. Since I work from home, I'm just sitting on my computer. If anyone has any questions specifically about my job, let me know. Pretty much what I did today was I did a lot of pitching. If you guys are new to my channel, I work in public relations. So pretty much what I did was a lot of earned media pitching, which is a bulk of my job. So kind of just going out to media with stories that we have for our brands and kind of news that we have. And right now we have a really exciting initiative we're starting to work on. So we've been pitching that out to editors. And then working on media lists and working on just other things like awards and stuff like that. So there's just been tons of different things that I've been doing. A lot of earned media is kind of like the bulk, and then a little bit of like brand management, and brand is what I do as well. So a little bit of that and then a little bit of influencer. There's people on my team who are specifically influencer, but I do tap into like other things. But my main role is earned media. So there's a lot of different parts of PR that you can do and a lot of different things within PR. A lot of jobs kind of encompass all of those things in one, but I've been doing mostly earned media pitches. Good morning, everyone. Happy Wednesday. So I am in my glasses, as you can see. I don't have any contacts left and I actually ripped my last one this morning. So I have no contacts, so I'm just gonna wear my glasses, which is fine with me. I actually enjoy wearing my glasses, so I need to get new contacts. I just ate breakfast. I had a meeting from 9 to 10, so it's 10:20 right now. And I'm pretty busy today, actually. Today's probably my busiest day I've had in a while. So I'm gonna get to work and do tons of random stuff. Sorry, these vlogs too. I've been kind of like vlogging just a little bit every day, but as you can see, I haven't left my house in a couple days, so I haven't really been doing anything interesting. I'm getting another package today though from Amazon, and yeah, so super excited about that, and we'll see what I get when it comes in. Hi guys, so right now it's around 1 p.m. I'm eating some lunch, so I'm having literally leftovers from yesterday of my chili. It's really hot. And then these chips over here. I was gonna show you guys these yesterday. These are from Trader Joe's and they're super good. So these are the chips. They're the restaurant style white corn tortilla chips. They're so good. They have sea salt and lime on them, and they're a lot healthier than the Tostitos ones. So that's what I'm gonna have with my chili right now. So this morning was definitely pretty busy. It's already 1 o'clock, which is crazy. My mornings always go by super quick, and like quicker than my afternoons usually. But I do have some meetings today, so gonna get those done. But yeah, today's just another day full of pitching and making lists and doing other things too. I just have a lot of random stuff to do. I got my package from Amazon, so we're gonna open it. I think this is my necklace because it feels like there's only one thing in here and it feels super light. So let's see what's in here. So my other Amazon package is actually outside, but it's so cold outside and I don't feel like going outside and grabbing it. So I made myself dinner first. Sorry for the glare on my glasses. I just made pancakes because I didn't know what to make myself, and when I don't know what to make myself, I make myself pancakes. So that is what I am having for dinner. Hey guys, I got my package and here it is. Has all my stuff in it. I'm gonna save this for my video obviously, but I'm very excited about it. So anyways, I think I'm gonna end this vlog here. I feel like I've gotten a lot of footage over the past 4 days, so I hope you guys enjoyed. This was definitely a pretty boring one of me just sitting in my room all week, but I mean, what's there to do? So yeah, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video.